If you want to get your outside air conditioner fixed right, knowing what all those parts and nameplate details mean is clutch. So, first off, the nameplate on your outdoor AC unit is like its ID card. It tells the technician the model number and serial number, which help them find the exact specs and any recalls or issues with that unit. It also shows the type of refrigerant used, which is super important because using the wrong one can mess up your system or even break the law. The amp draw info there lets the tech know how much electrical current the unit pulls during operation, so they can make sure your wiring and breaker can handle it safely. You'll also see voltage and phase info, which helps confirm the power supply matches what the unit needs. The nameplate might list the cooling capacity in BTUs or tons, so the tech knows if it's sized right for your home. Plus, it usually includes things like the compressor type and maximum pressure ratings, which are key for maintenance and troubleshooting. So, basically, all this info helps a technician diagnose problems fast and order the right replacement parts without guessing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with air conditioner repairs is ignoring the nameplate info, which leads to buying wrong parts or refrigerant that ruins performance. Fix that by always checking or sending a pic of the nameplate to your tech before any work starts. Another common issue is not understanding amp draw and overloading circuits, causing breakers to trip or even damage. Make sure your electrician matches your unit's electrical needs exactly. Lastly, lots of folks forget to verify refrigerant type because newer units often use different eco-friendly options. Using old types can cause leaks or fines. Just keep that nameplate close when talking to pros or doing any DIY stuff. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and have good reviews. If you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for real pros and get more work without wasting time on dead-end leads.